Primary education according to the 1998 policy. The focus is that existing facilities to be availed fully and new facilities to be set up. So whatever is existing at the time should be used fully and optimally in order to provide good quality education, and then new facilities also be added as needed or required. Media to be fully used for promotion of elementary education. Media, that is your television, your radio, and all the different channels and stuff that are now coming about at that time. When I say now, I mean 98, are coming about. Use those media for educational purposes. They are a really rich source of getting to students at different levels. Uprooting all types of social injustice. Work will be done for equal chances of education for all. Still, we have not reached the target of universal, compulsory, free primary education. And so it comes about again. Whatever social injustices existed should be uprooted, gotten rid of, remedied, fixed, and equal opportunities to all should be provided for good quality education. Promotion of the elementary education through formal and informal resources will be done. If formal means were not sufficient, then informal means of education should be utilized. And this is, again, in the 98 policy, we see for a first time an emphasis or even a mention of informal education. Terms and conditions of service for teachers will be made better, and employment of teachers will be on merit basis. Again, paying a better salary, providing facilities for teachers, especially female teachers who are leaving their homes and coming to other areas in order to teach because they want to and they've been able to get permission from their homes, and employing teachers on merit, not sifarish, not please appoint so-and-so and please appoint so-and-so. Getting teachers on merit, only then quality education can be imparted. It will be tried to appoint teachers near their residences as much as possible so that transportation and for female teachers moving from home would not really be a big issue. Poor students will be provided books and notebooks free of cost at the beginning of the educational year. Poor students, again, how does one determine what poor is for a student to warrant? So I think more details should have been specified in the policy in terms of what is a poor student. In the elementary classes, slates and wooden planks will be introduced again. We had gone from slates and wooden planks to copies, and now the handwriting wasn't really improving or getting better, and so a re-emphasis, a going back to the old ways of doing things, bringing in slates and wooden planks, was seen as a step in the right direction. Subjects like cleanliness of atmosphere, use of computers, population planning, moral values, and basic health will be included in the curriculum. What we see here, the 98 policy doing is, it's focusing on health education, it's focusing on moral education, it's focusing on computer and IT education. After all, we've polluted a lot of the earth. We are responsible for fixing that. How is that going to happen if our children don't understand what we've done and they have to fix? That is the critical issue. These young people in our classrooms today are not responsible for any of the problems that we've created for them, but they will need to solve a lot of those problems for themselves and their futures.